All right, let's get the Phenom 300 set up. I'm starting by going to Home and then Utilities. And then Crew Profile, Elite Jets, and I'm going to hit Activate. And that's going to set up our standard crew profiles. You can see the screens changing automatically. Bringing up a chart, and then we're going to bring up electric and status in the center screens there. Bring up the chart so I can get the ATIS frequency.
0.02, advise you have Golf. Opa Locka Airport information, Golf time 1253 Zulu. Wind 0203, weather better than 5,000 at 5, temperature 22, dew point 15, altimeter 3011. Expect the ILS or visual approach, runway 9 left, landing departure runway 9 left and runway 9 right. Notice airmen, runway 1230 is closed until further notice. Runway 9 left out of marker out of service. Runway 9 left glide slope not monitored by tower. Raised cranes 1 mile northwest of Opa Locka at or below 250 feet. Raised cranes construction areas east and west field boundaries at or below 230 feet. Remarks, increased bird activity is caution. Clearance is given on ground 120.02. Advise you have Golf.
Now that we have the ATIS, we're going to call clearance, which actually is combined with the ground frequency today, and we'll get our clearance.
Ground November 5 Alpha, IFR to Alpha Golf Sierra with the Golf.
Embraer 5 Alpha, Opa Locka ground cleared to the Augusta Airport via the Miami 7 departure. Headley transition, then is filed. Maintain 2000. Expect flight level 410. Miami departure on a 11945, squawk 6030.
Miami 7, Headley, as filed, 2000, 410 in 10 minutes, 1945 and 6030 for November 5 Alpha.
November 5 Alpha, read back correct.
All right, you can see me entering the squawk code here. Now I'm going to flight plan and entering the rest of the flight plan. So if you want to enter airway, you've got to hit the first fix and then hit load airway. And then it'll show all the airways there. Select your airway, and then you select your exit point. And in this case, there was only one airway off of that fix, so it only showed one airway. Now we're going to enter the arrival. So you can see it's AGS, Savannah, and then we don't know the runway yet. So I just hit her none. Once I finish entering my route, I like to view it on the map to make sure all the fixes look like they're going in the right direction. I also check the total miles against my flight plan. You can also see here that I select the weather radar and I turn it on. It's still on standby, but it keeps the weather radar from bouncing around. Then I go and do the engine data, which requires the temperature. And then we hit send data. You need to make sure you stay on this page. If you leave the page, it won't accept the data. So we're waiting for it to turn green at the bottom and accept the data. Then we're going to go to our LFE. And as soon as you go to the page, if you have your destination airport in there, it automatically sets it.
Okay, Jet Saver 4271 is cleared to the Teterboro Airport via radar vector is valid, done as filed. On departure, we'll climb to 2000. We'll expect 370 after 10 minutes of departure. Miami is on 11904.
Next, we're going to go to performance, and we're going to hit takeoff data. We're going to enter our runway that we're going to depart off of, and also the distance that it's going to take for takeoff.
Opa Locka ground, November 9254 Yankee at Golf, ready to taxi for run-up.
Number 9254 Yankee, Opa Locka ground, the run-up area, taxi via Papa to Hotel.
Papa Hotel.
Next, we're going to do the same thing for landing data.
Data altimeter 3011, and the wind is calm.
Because I didn't know the runway that we're going to land on, I just had entered the landing distance. Next, we're going to our speeds, and we're going to enter all of our V speeds, starting with V1, and then VR, then V2, and then finally VFS. If they're green highlighted, they'll show up on the airspeed tape on our PFD. We're going to enter in our landing speeds, so VREF, VAC, and also VFS, and then we turn them off so they don't show up on our airspeed until we're ready to turn them on for landing.
All right, we got the Miami 7 departure.
Let me review that. So Miami 7 price 34. Miami 7.
Uniform Foxtrot, hold short of Tango 3 on Tango, remain straight.
Departure.
Yeah, we'll hold short of Tango 3.
Miami 7. And so runway 9 left probably, right? Yep. It's gonna be a heading at 093 to 800 before we turn it right. Then we have an altitude of 2,000 is set, and we have a speed restriction for 250.
Maintain 2,000.
And
Yeah, accelerate to 250 as quick as possible up to 10.
Yep.
Departure on
Got you.
945 squawk.
And so we review.
All right.
Before it's
We got cleared as a file. Do you want to read them off for me?
Okay, yeah, as far I got OPF, Helly, Steamman, Serbo,
Yep.
okay, and then the Q87 to Riot, Savannah, and then for the arrival, Stouch 3 arrival over there in Georgia.
I agree. Up to 2,000, 1945 departure, so ground tower departure, and 6030.
2030 on the squad, thank you, appreciate it.
4
And
stars.
4 stars.
Parking brake.
Set.
Battery 1 and 2.
It's on.
Doors.
Close confirm.
Fuel quantity verify 38 or 3985 on board and 2960 required.
3900 on board and then 2900 required. Checks.
Engine takeoff data.
It's set.
LFE.
It's set.
Trim.
It's set. 8.3.
AFCS and avionics.
AFCS control has been reviewed. Like I say, the departure is brief. 2000 heading mode now. And for the departure here as well.
Takeoff speeds.
It's 102, 105, 115, 132 set.
Transponder.
Good call, 6030.
ADS probes.
It's an auto.
Crew and departure briefing.
It's complete.
4-star checklist complete.
Okay.
I'm sorry, 151 Sierra Delta.
That's clear on the right side.
Turn right on November.
Oh, he's coming over.
Echo. Right turn, November, hold short of Echo, 151 Delta.
Clear right.
Right, side's clear.
Clearance, Gamma Jet 514. Clearance, Gamma Jet 514. Ready, call ground, standby.
Okay, look like a good start. Okay, we start now.
Ground extra 52, Fox Charlie, cleared hotel for a landing.
Extra who?
That's 52, Fox Charlie.
Extra 52 Foxtrot Charlie, turn left on Pop and then hold short Echo.
Left on Pop, short Echo, extra 52, Fox Charlie.
Yeah, they had 52 Foxtrot, they had you tagged up as a Cherokee.
Ah, nope, not that.
All right,
Yeah, well, that looks like a good start.
And then hold short of Tango. Left on Echo, hold short of Tango once you go.
Have a start checklist, GPU.
GPU, it will be disconnected. 3 white lines, doing my flows here. GPU disconnected for now. What you need is...
Stall, stall.
Fox Charlie will give way.
Stall, stall. Stall, stall.
Okay, check.
Stall, stall.
And thereafter when you get a chance.
Have start checklist, GPU.
Is disconnected.
Swaps.
Test.
Test knob.
Test knob is off.
Flight controls.
25 standby.
Okay, which you... Alright, check.
Flaps.
Flaps is 1 indicating 1.
Cast messages.
The check.
Taxi brief.
Looks like it's gonna be out of here, maybe Papa or November, and all the way down to 9 left, right?
Both engines verified running.
Verify is running.
Electrical emergency.
Race is out.
After start checklist complete.
All right. Thank you. I'm ready when you are.
Ground November 5 Alpha is ready to taxi Atlantic Aviation with Golf.
November 5 Alpha, standby.
And ground 55 chart, that's right turn here into Atlantic.
Yes, sir, for the, no, sir, no, sir. Second right is you, Charlie. Go on, Charlie.
Okay, second right, okay, thanks. And 151 Delta, full to short Tango.
83 Uniform Foxtrot, continue taxiing, contact tower. They were 90 Hotel, follow the traffic ahead of you, contact tower when you're number 1 for departure.
All right, we'll follow the traffic ahead and contact tower number 12790 Hotel.
10 Delta, continue.
Roger, continuing down Tango, found blue 151 still.
See it. All right, then November 5 Alpha from Signature runway 9 left taxi via November 6 in November.
November 6, November, runway 9 left, November 5 Alpha.
November 6 in November, so November 6 is...
Good morning, just trying to do a radio check with you today.
November 6, he thought that we are in Signature.
Anybody else calling ground?
He thought it was Signatures right here.
East Hampton.
Gamma 514, be with you in 10 seconds, hang on.
Right, that's what he said, November 6. He thought that was where we in Signature.
And for November 5 Alpha, we're at Atlantic. You still want us to take November 6 over there?
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought I had you at Signature. No, just go via November.
November to runway 9 left, November 5. That's a cool looking airplane.
Oh, yeah.
Gamma Jet 514 ground, you are clear to the Hotel Tango Alpha Airport, East Hampton Airport via radar vectors Valley intersection, then is filed. Maintain 2000. Expect.
You want us this way? Okay, clear left.
Clear right.
Miami departure on 11945, squawk 3507.
Out of here, radar vectors over to Valley, as filed up to 2000 initially, 410, 10 minutes after departure for Eagles 9.
Okay, we are November, right?
3507.
Via November, clear right.
Clear left.
November will be your second left.
Second left, November.
Alpha, contact tower 1, number 1 for departure. Good day.
Okay, clear right, clear left. November, I see it.
All right, understanding, turning left.
Take off. Okay.
Right.
Port takeoff checklist, takeoff briefing.
It's left departure and the priority knots, bring to my attention, warning lights, I will able to take off between 80 knots and B1. In fairly far, lost direction control, bring to my attention, I will able to take off the B1, continue to take off, assuming we have an emergency, and then, or except for the lost both engines, and we're coming back here, run the memory item, checklist, and then if we need a more long runway, we're going to follow all of that, which is really good runway over there and maintenance facility over there as well.
Roger. Takeoff configuration.
I can do it again.
Take off.
Check.
Okay.
CAS messages.
Check.
Port takeoff checklist complete down to the line.
Thank you.
We're on November. We're taxiing to the runway 9 left. Runway 9 left is 8,002 feet.
tower, number 5 Alpha, be ready to go at 9 left.
November 2790 Hotel, contact Miami departure 119.45, good day.
Departure 90 Hotel, good day.
November 5 Alpha, Opa Locka Tower, flight heading 090, runway 9 left, cleared for takeoff.
090, clear for takeoff, 9 left, number 5 Alpha.
So 90 sec, and we are clear for takeoff. Bring the lights on, below the line. Coming up, thank you.
Heating ice protection.
One required.
Passengers are advised. Runway 9 left.
9 left is confirm at the end here.
For takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you. Lights on, clear on the left side.
Clear right.
I take it on the roll.
Downwind back, 9 right, 1 o'clock.
When aircraft number 2 follows Cessna, half-mile final, runway 9 right, clear to land.
9 right, clear to land, Cessna final, 1 o'clock.
Press set.
Power set, airspeed's alive. 80 knots.
Cross check.
B1, rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Tower Gulfstream 323 Mike Kilos, ready 9 left.
400 feet.
Left side, climb sequence after takeoff checklist for this.
Clear for takeoff 9 left, heading 090 Mike Kilo.
November 5 Alpha, contact Miami departure 119.45, good day.
1945, good day, number 5 Alpha.
Visual, we're clear for the ILS, 9 left, Chronos 331.
Trim.
Number 846,
Trim.
Takeoff checklist.
contact our climbing maintain 6,000.
6,000, 6,000.
Follow engage.
Sunway 93, flighting 230.
230, 793.
1 Tango Charlie, flighting 180.
180, 1 Tango.
Number 9 Sierra Hotel, flighting 080.
08090 Hotel.
Number 83 Uniform Foxtrot, Cedric Winco, and contact Miami Center 132.45.
Okay, Winco and 3245 for Uniform Fox, we'll see you.
Good day, Chronos 331, additional traffic, 10 o'clock and about 2 miles southeastbound, 2,000 feet.
Looking for that traffic as well, Chronos 331, we have it in sight.
Roger.
Number 5 Alpha 2000.
5 Alpha, radar contact, our climbing maintain 16,000, turn up 310.
310 up to 16,000, November 5 Alpha.
310 on the heading. 16,000.
Number 6 Delta
6,000.
Juliet, climbing maintain 7,000.
310 on the heading.
7,000 now, 6 Delta Juliet.
Charlie 6 Tango Alpha Lima, contact Miami approach 119.7.
7, Roger, Tango.
Chronos 331, traffic off your left, 1 mile southeastbound.
In sight, Chronos 331.
Chronos 331, maintain visual, and contact Opa Locka Tower 134.67.
Maintaining the visuals at tower now, Chronos 331.
Right, 1 Tango Charlie, flighting 200, and contact Miami approach 125.5, checking with the head-in.
Roger, 1255, heading 200, 1 Tango Charlie.
Number 9 Sierra Hotel, Cedric Paytas.
Direct Paytas 2790 Hotel.
Number 6 Delta Juliet, Cedric Beach, climbing maintain 10,000.
Direct Beach 10,000, 6 Delta Juliet.
Sunway 93, contact Miami approach 125.5, checking with the head-in.
Okay, 255, we'll do Silva, 93.
Charlie 6 Tango Alpha Lima, contact Miami approach 119.7.
323 Mike Kilo, leveling 2,000.
Number 323 Mike Kilo, radar contact, our climbing maintain 7,000.
Climb 7,000 Mike Kilo.
Departure 1517, 2.35,000
with whiskey.
Stand by Frontier 51517, radar contact, our climbing maintain 7,000.
7,000 now, Frontier 1517.
400 Echo Pop on my approach, fighting 360, descending maintain 3,000, vectors runway 9.
60 down to 3,000, vectors runway 9, 0 to 5.
November 733, contact on approach 119.7.
11947, 733.
Frontier 51517, turn left right fork.
Left track fork, Frontier 1517.
Number 9 at Sierra Hotel, contact Miami Center 133.4.
334 for 279er Sierra Hotel.
279 Sierra Hotel, affirmative. 133.4, good day.
334, good day, 279 Sierra Hotel.
Frontier Flight 1517, climbing maintain 16,000.
16 now, Frontier Flight 1517.
November 5 Alpha, clear direct Headley.
Project Headley, number 5 Alpha.
Okay, take it on the turn here, direct Headley. Headley, nav is available, direct Headley.
Roger.
Alright, climb checks. We got a chance.
Flight checklist, signs, outlets.
Signs out, the switches, bells on.
Windshield 1 and 2.
Windshield 1 and 2 is on.
Have pressure.
33.
Climbing, good rate.
Have a good morning.
Climb checklist complete.
November 3 Mike.